Hello, fabulous fifth graders, and welcome to your new sort for the week. This week you're going to be studying words that contain two different consonant vowel patterns that make either a long or a short vowel sound. So for example, you're going to have words that have a vowel consonant vowel combination, and those words are going to make a long vowel sound. So those words are like super, crazy, diner, even, later, open, over, paper, ruler, tiger, and tiny. All of these words have a vowel consonant vowel combination and make a long vowel sound. You're also going to have words that have a vowel consonant consonant vowel combination, and those words will make the short vowel sound. So that will be words like supper, dinner, happy, hello, kitten, lesson, letter, penny, pretty, puppy, rabbit, and summer. All of these words make the short vowel sound because they have a double consonant. You see that in each of the words they have a double consonant. That double consonant makes the vowel just before it short in each of these words. That's a really important rule to know as an adult. You have one oddball over here. It's an oddball because it has a vowel, consonant, and Y is a vowel in this case. Has a vowel, consonant, vowel combination, but does not make a long U sound. It is not boosy, it is busy. Okay, friends, study hard and do well. Go get them.